The best tuna salad recipe. I never grow bored of a good tuna salad recipe, and this one is the finest of the hundreds I've tried. Serve with bread, crackers, a bed of greens, or grilled as a tasty tuna melt. Recipe ingredients: mayo, celery, tuna, onion, relish, lemon juice, salt and pepper, garlic. 4 5-ounce cans tuna packed in water drained. 1 cup mayonnaise or less to taste. 1/3 cup celery finely chopped. 2 tablespoons red onion minced, about 2 small slices. 2 tablespoons sweet pickle relish. 1 tablespoon fresh lemon juice. 1 clove garlic minced. Salt and freshly ground black pepper. Notes about the ingredients. Tuna. I prefer tuna packaged in water and labeled dolphin safe. I normally purchase cans, but packets can also be used. Alternatively, use oil-packed tuna. Reduce the amount of mayonnaise accordingly. Mayonnaise. There is a lot of mayonnaise in this dish. If you want, start with 14 cup and add more to taste. Sweet pickle relish. If you want a different flavor, replace dill relish or chopped dill pickles. Step-by-step instructions. Step 1. In a medium bowl, add tuna, mayonnaise, celery, onion, relish, lemon juice, and garlic. Step 2. Stir to combine and season to taste with salt and pepper. I like ½ teaspoon salt and 1/4 teaspoon pepper. Serve immediately or cover and chill until serving. Recipe suggestions and variants. This recipe yields around 3 cups of tuna salad, which is plenty for 6 sandwiches, 12 cup each sandwich. Storage. Refrigerate leftovers for up to 4 days, covered. More add-ins. To your tuna salad, add a few diced apples, Granny Smith would be ideal, a handful of frozen peas, or a couple of chopped hard-boiled eggs. Tuna salad is wonderful wrapped in lettuce leaves or layered on top of a bed of lettuce. Tuna pasta salad. Add cooked macaroni, rotini, or your favorite little pasta to make a delectable tuna pasta salad. Stuffed tomatoes. Hollow out juicy tomatoes and stuff with tuna salad for a classic and tasty lunch dish. Ahi tuna salad. Is the ahi tuna in the fish market looking fantastic, or do you have leftover ahi tuna from yesterday night's dinner? Spend the extra money on tuna salad. In this recipe, cook it all the way through before flaking it up. If you like this tuna salad, you might like my chicken salad, egg salad, ham salad, traditional potato salad, and my favorite macaroni salad.